Okay, day 4, we made it. Multiply a trinomial and a binomial. So that is a polynomial with 3 terms to a polynomial with 2 terms. Unfortunately, you can't use FOIL for this method because it's first, outside, inside, last, and we have a whole extra term to work with. So we are only going to stick with the box method for this way of simplifying. So I'm still going to draw a box, but instead of a 2 by 2 square, I'm going to draw a 2 by 3 square. So I tend to go this way with it. So 1, 2, 3, and 2. So we're going to put our binomial on the side. So 3x and plus 4. And then our trinomial on the top. So x squared plus 2x and then minus 1. If it helps you, you are more than welcome to put a 1 in front of that x squared to help you multiply your coefficients. So now we're going to take 1 times 3, which is 3, and then we're going to add our exponents. So we have 1 exponent for this x, for the 3x, and 2 x's for the x squared. So we get x to the third. And then moving on, 3x times 2x, 3 times 2 is 6, and x times x is x squared. 3x to the first times negative 1 gives me negative 3x. Now on to the bottom row. 4 times 1 is 4. Keep the x squared. 4 times 2 is 8. Keep the x from the 2x. And then 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, so now all we have to do is simplify. So let's identify our like terms first, because there's a couple of them here. We've got the 6x squared and the 4x squared. Those are like terms. And then we also have the negative 3x and the 8x, which are like terms. So when I combine this as my answer, I need to keep that in mind. So my first term, because we write in standard form, is 3x cubed. Then going into my green like terms, I have 6x squared and then 4x squared. They're both positive, so we're going to add them, and we're going to have plus 10x squared. Then moving on to my purple like terms, I have negative 3x plus 8x, so I'm going to subtract, and that's going to give me 5, and it's going to be a positive 5 because the 8 is bigger. So plus 5x and then minus 4. And that's my answer.